PowerPoint trick number 1. Would I learn how to do this? Insert a text box. Type -sign 12 times. Go to Format. Click on Text Effects. Choose Transform and select Wave 1. Make the text box bigger to cover the upper half of the slide and adjust it. Right-click on the text and go to Format Text Effects. Under the text field, select and double-click on Picture or Texture field and insert Picture from File. Browse your picture, select and insert. Then insert your titles and you're done. Follow for more tutorials on ObserveX.